Hey folks, look at this 2011 Ford F-250 with a contractor reading contractor bed on it. One owner, 42 dealer service record, 6.2 liter gas V8, and a nice truck, folks. It is 4x4. It does have the power package with windows, locks, tilt, and cruise. Drives fantastic. Motor is sound, extremely functional. Tires are decent, fully serviced and safety inspected. This truck's ready to work, folks. Again, it's a nice one. It's not destroyed. Drives great. All the power options work as they should. Bed's in nice shape. Ford F-250, one owner, 42 dealer service records, inspected, serviced, and all that's documented, folks. And we're here, DasCleveland.com.